So walking uphill should feel very comfortable and natural. And it's nice because we practice walking with the stronger leg on the curved part of the cement of the sidewalk. And then we alternate by also going the opposite direction where the weaker leg is on more of the angled part of the sidewalk. So you can kind of see how that goes. Okay, but when we're coming up to do a turn, you want to make sure that you take more steps, smaller, and make a wider turn than the current path that you take. But then you have to switch gears when you're going into a downward slope of, again, taking those smaller steps in order to control the forward momentum of your body. And that's where all this training and therapy about your balance and your strength and having that coordinated movement, because your body has to switch gears to the surroundings, right? Okay, now we're coming up to doing a turn. You want to make sure that you take a wide turn with more steps to ensure we get that turn. And what's amazing about doing outside turns is we know that nothing is even. Nothing is straight, so you really have to check your balance before you step.